Come test drive the 2017 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, heated steering wheel, trip computer, electronic stability control, power windows, compass, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, brake assist, rear view camera, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, passenger vanity mirror. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.